Hello students, hope all of you are fine and healthy and doing your work on time, right? So students, will as we have done so many topics in grammar, the topic which we will do today is verbs, right? So we all know what are verbs and what is a verb, right? So let's do them in details. Now students, when we talk about definition of verb, a verb is a word that tell us what a person or thing does, राइट जो भी एक पर्सन या थिंग करती है दैट इज कॉल्ड वर्ब एन एक्शन दैट वर्क दैट थिंग विच हैज बीन डन बाय a person or a thing is a verb, right? So now our action can be physical or mental. हमारा action physical भी हो सकता है और mental भी हो सकता है, right? When we talk about physical action, students, for example, run, walk, write, see, these all are physical actions. When we talk about mental actions are think, guess, imagine. हम सोचते हैं, it is an action done by a person, so it is done, so it is an action, right? So now I hope verb is clear to you. Verb is an action done by a person or a thing, right? It tells us what a person or thing does, right? We have two types of actions. Basically generally actions are of two kinds, physical or mental, right? Now when we talk about different features of verb, we have three types in that features, that which kind of verbs they are, right? So now verb of doing means which tell us about action performed by subject ने जो action किया. For example, my mother has bought a new sari. Now this is a action done by my mother, right? Action done by my mother. Being condition of subject, ये subject की condition बताती है, ठीक है? For example, when we talk about condition of a subject being, it can be we'll talk about examples. Being means condition. It can be the glass is broken, right? So it is telling us the condition of glass, it is broken, right? Now third is possession. Possession is possession means ownership. So ownership is a situation which, so in possession what it shows, possession by the subject means this book is mine. So I am the subject is mine and I am showing my possession on the book. So it is a verb, right? So verb of possession when someone talk about possession of a subject. Now if you'll go to your pull out sheets, we have some exercises. So I want you to practice them so that you will be able to understand. Before doing those exercises, I'll give you recap. See, what is verb? Verb is a word which tells us what a person or thing does. Basically, verb is an action word, right? Now, action can be physical or mental, right? If we think and guess something, it is also an action done by a person. Physical, run, walk, write, read, all these are physical actions. Now, verb of doing means a verb which tell about the action which is done. For example, I am reading a book. So it is verb of doing. Verb of being, condition of subject it is telling. For example, the clouds are raining. So it is telling what? It is telling being. What is the condition of clouds? They are raining, right? Possession, it shows possession. This house is mine. So now or basically possession means it shows the possession. This book is mine. This book is Ria's book. This is Ria's house. So it shows possession, right? So these all are the different kinds. Basically you just need to remember that verbs are the action words. So now let's move towards your book work so that we'll be able to practice it and understand it more clearly. So now if you will open up your pull out sheet, students, and you will go through them, you can see that there is first word, our maid had broken all the cups. So if you have to identify verb in it, broken is the verb here, right? She runs to her father. She runs is an action done by her. So it tells us about what she did, an action was running, right? The dog is barking at the stranger. So barking is an action here, right? The secretary wrote a letter. Now the secretary wrote a letter. Wrote is what, students? An action done by secretary. I hang the paintings on the wall. Hang is our verb here because it is an action, right? Now let's talk about, underline the verbs of in the given sentences, whether they are doing, being or possession. It is a pleasant day today. Now it is which verb, students? If you will guess, pleasant day, so it shows condition of a day, so it is verb of being, right? Now if we talk about next, my mother has bought a new sari. So it shows the action done by my mother. What action she did? She bought a sari. So it is what? Verb of doing. The fish swims in the pool. Now it tells us that what fish do, what fish is doing. It is swimming, right? So it is verb of doing. Now this mobile phone belongs to my father. It shows possession of my father on that mobile phone. So we can say that it is verb of possession. The grandfather is in the living room. Now it is telling us the condition of subject. What subject is doing? What subject is doing? Subject is grandfather and he is in living room. So it is verb of being, right? Now the crow is thirsty. What crow is? It is telling us condition of subject. So the crow is thirsty is what? Condition of crow, right? That he is thirsty. So it will be a verb of being. So I hope these are clear to you and you will be able to do these. Now the next exercise, students, you will practice by your own. You have to fill the correct form of verbs. So I want you to do this in next videos, students. In our next video, students, we will talk about different types of verbs and we'll do different types of verbs. So till then, do your worksheet 1 till question number 3 of your pull-out sheets, right? And try send them. I have discussed 1 and 2 already. Third will be done by you, right? So take care of yourself and wait for my next video. Thank you.